This HAYEAR 14MP HDMI microscope camera delivers crisp detail that makes inspecting circuit boards, small parts, and biological samples much easier on the eyes than through traditional eyepieces alone. The high-resolution Japanese CMOS sensor paired with full high-definition output over HDMI gives a clean, low-noise image that looks excellent on modern monitors and televisions. Being able to switch between fast HDMI output at 60 frames per second and convenient USB connection at 30 frames per second makes the camera flexible for both live work and basic computer capture. On-screen measurement is helped by the built-in, movable crosshair lines, which can be recolored and positioned to line up with features you need to compare or align. Direct recording to a memory card in common video and image formats is very handy for documenting repairs, quality control, or lab work without needing a separate computer. Compatibility with both Windows and Mac systems over USB, along with the compact C-mount body, makes this camera easy to integrate into existing microscope setups in workshops, classrooms, and hobby benches.